As you can imagine, when the Supreme Court handed down the decision today, reaction in California was pretty swift.
CBS 13's Kelly Ryan is live in Sacramento, getting answers on why both sides say the gay marriage struggle isn't over. Kelly?
Well, there was celebration and praise in some areas of Sacramento today, but one local attorney says today's ruling has no legal foundation.
The cheers rang out from the steps of the Supreme Court. Supporters celebrating a landmark 5-4 ruling, making same-sex marriage legal in all 50 states.
This ruling will strengthen all of our communities by offering to all loving same-sex couples the dignity of marriage.
Cheers began with this Sacramento group following the announcement by the Supreme Court this morning.
Today, for the first time, all 50 states have the freedom to marry.
Don Betts, executive director of the Sacramento LGBT Community Center, praised the court ruling.
This morning, the Supreme Court basically affirmed our Constitution's promise of a land where there is freedom and justice for all.
In the 5-4 ruling, Justice Anthony Kennedy wrote for the majority with the 4 liberal justices. Their hope, Kennedy wrote, is not to be condemned to live in loneliness, excluded from one of civilization's oldest institutions. They ask for equal dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that the decision had nothing to do with the Constitution. Attorney Kevin Snyder, chief counsel of the Pacific Justice Institute, blasts the liberal justices, saying the opinion has no basis and the majority has no understanding of constitutional principles.
This case, the opinion is like very few others. It has no real legal foundations.
Supporters say while today's ruling is a win for them, there is more work to be done.
The anti-gay people are going to appeal, and we're going to be fighting our fight, but we have a groundswell behind us from the world.
And coming up tonight at 6, California's Attorney General speaks out, and we'll hear from her. That's coming up tonight at 6.
Kelly, thanks. We'll see you soon.